Hello guys, it's me, Jumping Jack again. Nah, just kidding. Okay. This name is inspired by Stoo because they said it will be fun to watch a Jumping Jack. Oh my god, you guys! Why I keep camping, huh? Oh shit, man. Never mind. Anyways, he was saying it'll be fun to see a jackhammer that keeps jumping. So here we go. Oh, whoa, what the... Oh! Whoa! Shit. Never mind. Just don't piss me off. If not, I will use my gremlin. And you don't wanna see when I use the gremlin. Fuck, man. Overkill, motherfuckers! Jumping Jack on the game! Alright, let's get the fuck out of here! Let's heal up, let's heal up! That's not too bad. Let's go. Jumping Jack's in the house, yo. I hate him! I fucking hate him! There was blood coming out of his fucking head! And there's no damage. Alright. It's cool. It's all cool. I'm used to it. I'm used to the fucking lag. It's alright. Used to it. I'm cool with that. Just what the fuck? Oh man, the lag is killing me. Sometimes I thought he died. Sometimes I don't know whether he died or not. I know it's a confirm kill lah. What? What the fuck? What the fuck? I shall... Whoa. I shall finish this fucking laggy game and continue. What are you doing? What are you doing? At that point, I would need gremlin. If it's gremlin, they will all be fucking dead. But I will not use my gremlin. I will not. I say this is a jackhammer game, and this will be a jackhammer game, motherfucker, huh? You want to play shotgun with me? Huh? You want to play shotgun with me? Let's go. Go. Dog dice first. Chapala! Hey yo, holy chapala! Oh, nobody? Shit. Alright, I will go again. Oh, am I dead? Yes, I am dead. Shit. Let's go! Jackhammer, maybe later I will use, I don't know, anaconda? Eat my anaconda. Somebody's here. What the fuck? What the fuck? Chapala! Boom! Whoa! That shit is intense, man! Oh, shit. Oh. This grandma has hit me so many times with fucking grenade. I know, like 3-4 times. And I cannot escape. Thanks to you, motherfucking lagging shit. Somebody's here? Oh, dead. Alright. What the fuck? Somebody jump! What? Oh. Fuck, man, this... Oh, you nearly use Vanguard. Jackhammer, bro. Oh no! Sniper over here. That's great. I'm gonna backstab the fuck out of you. Let's go. Nobody can camp me, man. Nobody. What the fuck? Oh, you kill all of them. Wow, that's great. That dude just knifed 3 of them. Come on, anybody for me to kill? What the fuck? How many minutes? Oh, 10 once again is good. I'm tired of this lag, man. Last kill, baby. Alright, GG. Look at the fucking lag, man.